Yeah? Hi, this is the first of the videos about how to learn Czech language. We're gonna start, I'm trying to make this really short, by the way. So we're gonna start with how to pronounce things in Czech language. I picked up the words, the letters that are pronounced differently to English. So let's start with C. So C, it's pronounced as if you say ts, yes, ts. CH together is pronounced as ch, as in Scottish loch. So there is no other sound in English, I guess. So it's Scottish loch. Then J, it's pronounced as y, so it's English Y, as in inward yesterday, for example. K is pronounced as k, which is probably obvious. O is pronounced as o. So it's as in like, for example, OXO cubes, OXO. So it's no more Salivarova, Sharapova, it's Salivarova, Sharapova, Ova. E is pronounced as E. So this is E. Then I've got A is pronounced as A, as in English word up, for example. I and Y are pronounced the same, and it's pronounced as E. And then I've got U, which is pronounced as U. So it's not U but U. So this is as in the word look, for example. Look. So the sound you make here, U, and then yeah. So here I can give you an example as well. I couldn't remember anything. So the E is pronounced as E, as in word 10. Okay. So now we move on to the letters that you don't have in English. Whoa, this is hard work. Which you kind of do, but not in that form. So that's A, E, O, U. So I and Y, that's all E. So we don't, it's like the same sound. So A, E, O, U. We also have them as A, E, O, and U. Sometimes the U has got a circle above it instead of the little mark. This just makes the sound longer. So instead of A, it's A. E is E. I is I. O is O. U is U. So it's just a longer sound. So there are these ones. And now we've got the last bit. We've got D, T, N. And also we've got this. This is E with a little hook. D with the N. So all these can be found in Czech language with a little hook above them. I start with the bottom one. This is pronounced like yeah. So maybe Y-E, yeah. Then these ones, they pronounced as if it's D plus the yeah. So J, J. So maybe it's pronounced like J, 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 J. I don't know how else to make it sound like something in English. So J, 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 yeah. Now, just to make it complicated, these ones can also, D, T, N can also change into J, T, N if the D, T, and N are followed by either I or E. So if you find somewhere, for example, this, which is D plus I, this will change to this, so that's J. So this changed to these sounds, J. So that's the same with ti, and then we can have ni. Or if it's followed by this, you can use a different color. Followed by this, then we've got tje, je, and then nye. Right, now we just need to, oh, I forgot some more letters with the hooks. That to be the last bit. So now we have ch, sh, j, and r. So ch is like in cheers, ch, cheers. So it's the C with the little hook. S with the hook is sh, as in she. So it's the sound you make when you say she, the first sound, sh. Je, it's similar to if you say pleasure. So pleasure, je, this is your je. And je, unfortunately there is no je in English, but you can try to say something like these two together, rj, 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 rj. Or you can, there is a way to learn how to pronounce it, but I can do it in a different video. So that's je. This is our je. Now we can just practice them. So we can practice them. Otherwise, all the other letters are pronounced like, is it the like phonetic like children's alphabet? So a, and like this. A, b, c, d. So we've got word. So this is pronounced běží. B, je, ž, i, which is long. So běží, it's a long one. This is goal, again, because it's long, it's goal. So now we have sh, and we've got our d plus I, change into the j sound. So škodí. So we pronounce this as j, and then we still have to pronounce the long I. Škodí. So it's not just škoď, but škodí because of the last letter. Now we have this. So here, D plus Y doesn't mean anything, doesn't change anything. So this would be škody. And the Y is pronounced the same as I, and it's I. So škody. We can do one more. And this is we've got long A, and we've got T followed by I again, makes it into the J sound, plus the E at the end. So this is vrátí. We can have another word, which would be the same case as in the škody. T and Y doesn't mean anything because it's T and I that changes this into J. So this is vraty. Yes, so this is probably it, and we can maybe just do a few sentences quickly. Few sentences here. So when we meet, we can say dobrý den, dobrý den. That means good day, something like good day. You can say it any time of the day. So you say dobrý den, and someone can reply dobrý den. and then you wonder how they are, so you ask jak se máte. And to make it question, you just do the intonation. Jak se máte? Jak se máte? This is how are you? And this is a formal way of asking. So it's you can say it to someone you don't know. It's formal. The reply to this is děkuju. That means thank you. So again, the followed by I with hook, and it's changed into j. We still have to pronounce the e. Děkuju. And then dobře means well. Děkuju, dobře. And the other person can ask and you, which is a vy, and you, and again it's the polite way, so it's you can ask anybody this, to which you can reply mám se také dobře. So this is it, mám se také dobře, which means I'm also well. So the also here is také. So you can see dobře, dobře, that's well. Mám, jak se máte, mám, that's similar, that's like I am, and se. And just to wrap it up, when you want to finish this conversation, you just say goodbye or bye-bye, which is na shledanou. Nashledanou, which is more commonly pronounced with just like this. Nashledanou. So people often pronounce it instead of nashledanou, nashledanou. Sounds, it's just easier to say. Or people just say nashle. This is H. This is just a shortening of this. And again, they would pronounce it nashle. That's the one we said sounds like the loch, like the ch in Scottish loch. So we would just say naschle to say bye-bye. Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye, naschle.
I had to turn it off.
Oh.